logs show that the final voyage of the Big Stick is underway.
Captain, we're receiving a distress transmission from Dachong Island.
Possible disturbance in the water. Prep your men. This whole thing, it doesn't feel right. What happened?
Aliens. Find out what the hell's going on over there.
The B-2s will be in position to nuke China and North Korea in 6 hours.
Winston, you're going to start a war.
Prepare to fire the big guns.
When you destroy that ship, you destroy the bones.
You're gonna get yourself killed.
I'm gonna do my part.
Cavalry is on its way.